मैम टीवीएस स्टील के बारे में कुछ बताइए हमको।
टाटा ब्लूस्कोप स्टील प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है जो कलर कोटेड एंड मेटल कोटेड स्टील शीट मैन्युफैक्चर करती है। एंड आवर मदर प्लांट इज इन जमशेदपुर। We procure raw material means steel coils from Tata Steel, and after metal coating and color coating we do the profiling of those sheets and we sell it in open market after that to our channel partners.
CSR में आप लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं मैम?
In CSR our major focus areas are healthcare, education, environment and quality of life. And especially in education we are in vocational skill development category. And in vocational skill development category also we focus more on construction work related skills development.
तो CIDC के साथ आप कैसे जुड़े?
In 2021 our company decided to start some CSR program in vocational skill development, and as we are in color coated and metal coated steel sheet manufacturing, we identified that construction workers are very important stakeholders of our business, and there is a huge gap between demand and supply. And we also did a need assessment of this thing, that whether skilled workers are available in construction industry or not. So we came to know that there is actually a very much gap between actual demand of the workers and available skilled workers in the market. So we did some research and we found out that CIDC is a very reputed organization in this field, being represented by both government and non-government institution equally, and all of the members of CIDC are very reputed institutions in construction work related things. So we thought to collaborate with CIDC for this vocational skill development project, and we are associated with them for last 2 years now.
How was your experience working with CIDC?
Our experience was really very good. Initially when we started we were apprehensive that how will it go, will the students will stay for complete 3 months away from their home, because the background from which they were coming is not very affluent background, and all of the students belong to poor socio-economic strata of the society. So CIDC mobilized them and they took care of them for 3 months, including boarding and lodging along with vocational skill studies. And 80% of first batch students were placed after the batch was completed, and we were also very happy and we got the confidence that this project will run for several years, and at least we will be able to do some part of our things, that we could bridge the gap of this demand and supply of construction workers in the field. So at least a part of that we would be able to cover.
Anything for the society?
Society is the root cause of our existence. As being Tata Group, we always believe that without society business can't exist. And as a business we take a lot from society, so it's our moral and ethical responsibility to give it back to them. And we just don't want to adhere to the government guidelines, but also we want to make actual impact to the society. So we thought first we have to find out whatever the need of the society is, and then we want to work through that need assessment to build a project and finally deliver the result what we have thought in the start. So
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.